Hey, it's Katie with Safewise here. Today I am opening a big package from Ecobee. You might know Ecobee from their smart thermostats. This is a big deal. They've just released a new product and I'm gonna see what it is. All right. Oh, there's a little note. Thank you. All right, what do we have? All right, we've got the brand new Ecobee Smart Doorbell camera, the thermostat, and Ecobee Smart Sensor. Okay, plot twist, I just noticed this. They sent me a tote bag too. How nice is that? Let's open them up. I'm gonna start with the Smart Doorbell because it's kind of the most exciting. This is Ecobee's first doorbell camera. It is hardwired, but from what I'm seeing, the reason they did that is very intentional. This camera can withstand temperatures between -13 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 113 degrees. So the whole reason it's hardwired is to withstand really extreme temperatures. So let's open it up. The packaging in here is so pretty. Well done, whoever designed this. Ooh, she's sleek. Let's take a closer look. All right, this is the Ecobee doorbell camera. It is hardwired only. There's no battery here at all, which means you will have to have an existing doorbell setup or some kind of more traditional doorbell already in place, but there's pros and cons to that. Next up, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat and Sensor. Oh my God, the packaging on this. Really appreciate some solid package design. Look at this. Gorgeous. If I can do it one-handed. Beautiful. What a good job. I'm done gushing about the packaging. We have the Smart Thermostat and the Smart Sensor. Let's dive in. I don't know about you, but installing a whole thermostat feels really intimidating. All the hard wiring and everything that goes with it. It's just like the doorbell, it comes with everything you need. Something really exciting that I was reading about with these two is that the doorbell camera and this thermostat work together. And it kind of feels like a Jetsons thing almost, where someone rings the doorbell and your thermostat will stream that video to the thermostat. It's kind of a control panel the way Alexa works with Ring doorbells. How cool is that? From what I was reading in here too, the Smart Sensor is more of like an extension of a thermometer kind of thing. I have a very cold downstairs office. I'm gonna use this to see how cold it does get. And then finally, this Smart Sensor. All right, oh, okay, yeah. If you're getting a security system or any kind of thing, these are really essential. Kind of look like marshmallows a little bit, like they look really edible. These work with anything that opens and closes, like your doors, your windows, your sliding glass doors, your cabinets. You can get really creative with these. And there you have it. I'm gonna be doing reviews on each of these as I can. This one's gonna be a little trickier because I need to test it at a different home, but I'm really excited. Ecobee was so generous with what they sent us. These are out now, so go check those out and stay tuned and follow us for a full review later. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.